Hey everyone, welcome back to JProgramming. In today's video, we're diving into the basics of Java programming by exploring the primitive data types. These are the building blocks for data manipulation in Java, so understanding them is crucial for any aspiring Java developer. Let's get started. Java has 8 primitive data types. Each serves a specific purpose and has its own characteristics. Let's go through each one with examples. First up, we have the byte type. The byte is an 8-bit signed integer. It can hold values from -128 to 127. This is useful for saving memory in large arrays where the memory savings matter. Next, we have the short type. This is a 16-bit signed integer and can hold twice the size of a byte. Moving on, the int type is probably the most commonly used. It's a 32-bit signed integer and can hold values from -2 to the power of 31 to 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. Use int when you need a whole number that's within this range. Then we have long, which is a 64-bit signed integer. It can hold much larger values, from -2 to the power of 63 to 2 to the power of 63 minus 1. Notice the L at the end of the number? That's how we denote a long literal in Java. Now, let's talk about floating point numbers. The float type is a 32-bit IEEE 754 floating point. It can represent fractional numbers. Don't forget the F at the end of the number to specify it's a float. For more precision, we use double, a 64-bit IEEE 754 floating point. This is the default type for decimal values in Java. Doubles are more precise than floats and are used in most cases when dealing with decimal values. The character type is a single 16-bit Unicode character. It can hold any character, like letters, digits, or symbols. Characters are enclosed in single quotes, and they represent their Unicode values. Lastly, we have the boolean type. This can only hold one of two values, true or false. Booleans are used for simple flags that track true or false conditions. And that's a quick overview of Java's primitive data types. Understanding these basics is essential for writing efficient and effective Java programs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to JProgramming.